Hey, what's up, fellas? My name is Ashmit from Techy, and today we are going to learn how to create a Bootstrap plus HTML plus CSS3 website, which looks like this, which you are seeing on your screen right now. So, we will now learn in this series how to create awesome, stunning, and designed website. So, now without wasting any time, let's spread technology. So, before we dive further, I'm just gonna make sure that you know that we are gonna make a website which will look just like that. See? So, without diving any further, we need to set up a basis for this website, and we need to do that by installing the Bootstrap library. So in this video I will show you that how you can do that. So first of all, let's head to Google, and then we have to type Bootstrap 3. Remember, we are using Bootstrap 3, not Bootstrap 4, because that is easier for beginners. However, Bootstrap 4 has much better compatibility features. So click on the first link which says getbootstrap.com. Now that the Bootstrap website has been loaded up, you can just simply click on download Bootstrap from over here. Remember that you are downloading version 3.3.7, which we are using right here. Download Bootstrap, and then here comes a file with download links. We are gonna download the source code as it contains jquery.min.js. Let's download this. Now once this starts downloading, what you have to do is head over to the destination where you want to make your website, and then create a new folder over there. Let's name it website. Now you have to open it, and once the file has been downloaded, wait, let it get downloaded. Alright, so now the file has been downloaded. You just simply have to drag it over into your file explorer, and then there you can simply click extract here. Now after this has been done, you have to go to the extracted folder. You can close your browser if you want to. So now when if you want to continue further, you have to go into this and then click on distributable, sorry, and then we have to copy all these three folders into the folder which you created. Now we will paste this here, and then again head to there, click on JS tests vendor, and just copy um, jquery.min.js. Now you have to head back to websites folder, and you have to go to the JS folder over here which we earlier copied, and then we have to just paste it over here as you can see. Now this is how you are gonna install Bootstrap 3 and on your files. Now let's create an index.html. If you want to delete, you can delete these two files too. We only need these folders. Okay, so now let's go and head back to Visual Studio Code. Okay, let's create a new file over here. First of all, let's save it as an HTML file in desktop website here. So make sure all files is selected, index.html, save. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is type up the basic structure of an HTML file. Okay, Alright, so now that the structure of the website has been written, wait, let me zoom into it a bit further. Okay, so now that this has been written, enter your title. I will give it a website, and then what you have to do in the head tag, you have to insert two meta tags. Alright, one is meta char set is equal to UTF hyphen 8. It sets your encoding language to UTF-8, and then we have to write meta a name is equal to viewport, and content is equal to width is equal to device hyphen width comma space scale initial hyphen scale is equal to 1.0, just like that. And then you can just simply close your meta tag. Remember, it is not a container tag, so you do not need to type this. Alright, so what I'm gonna do next is link my CSS style sheet. Link rel is equals to style sheet, and type is equals to text slash CSS, and href is equal to css slash bootstrap dot min dot css. Okay, so now that we have linked up our style sheet of Bootstrap minified version, now we are ready to go and link our JavaScript files. First of all, we have to link a script src is equal to js slash jquery dot js jquery dot min dot js, and close it. Wait, and then again a script src is equal to js slash bootstrap dot min dot js. Be sure that you have written your jQuery script on top of the Bootstrap script so that it you can make a successfully responsive website. So this is how you can embed Bootstrap files into your HTML file. So let's save it, and we will continue further in the next episode where I will tell you how to make a navigation bar. So until then, stay tuned. You can ring the notification bell and subscribe to Techy Pizza if you still haven't, so that you cannot miss any updates from this series. And like this video, comment down below how did you like it, did you use it, and share it with your family and friends. This was Ashmit Singh from Techy Pizza, signing off.